Intestaskeittiö Säterintie 16 Pukinmäki, Helsinki.
Maybe I will take another retake because it's from 1986. You never know what it will become. Säterintie 16.
Remember to watch my stuff.
Yeah. 4 pulses or 225 kilograms. I filmed this one before, but we are here, so once again. It has 3 floors, H64301, 4 push 325 kilograms. It's going to be inspected in 2021 when it's turning 35 years old. Oh, Mike was going to open it.
Really efficient.
And it's not even hydraulic.
Yeah.
Today it's the 5th of August 2019. Another ride.
Yeah.
Yes.
2 different from 1986. The Valmet and then this one.
Yeah.
1 hydraulic and 1 traction. This one's very efficient.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
People who are really busy, you know, they love these sort of elevators.
Yeah.
Of course.
Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
I'm satisfied.
This was my shot retake.
Leveling is not so good. They have to adjust it.
Yeah, that's true. That's it.
That's